For the next feature, we're still playing around with the brush sizes. In this new version, they added a feature that allows us to save our brush sizes. So, we don't have to bother guessing how big or small our previous brushes were. We can now save the size of our brushes. Let's try it. I'm using the marker brush, and I've already prepared a simple picture in advance. The brush size I'm using is 6%. When I want to save it, I just click on the plus sign here. A small blue line will appear here. Now, let's continue using this brush. Then, I want to draw bigger main stems. I'll increase the size to around 18% and click on plus. I now have brushes in 6% and 18% sizes. I want it to be even bigger, so I'm increasing the size and clicking on the plus to save it. I'll use this brush size to add the leaves pattern where I want the lines to look thicker. Now, I want to use the small brush again. I can just click here where we saved our brush size. Then, I'll continue drawing with this brush. This is the same size as I used previously. If I want to use the same size that I used for the stems, I can just click here and continue drawing. Now that I want to use the small size again, I'll just click here. That's it. This is an easy demonstration. For those of you who like drawing and want all your lines to be in the same size, this is the feature for you. Okay, let's move on to the next feature.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Masterclass. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.